Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 7th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will study chapter number 9, Soil. Children, in the previous parts of these chapters, we had studied about the soil formation, agents that cause weathering of rocks, different constituents of soil, soil profile. And now we will study about the different types of soil in this part of the chapter. Types of soil. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. Soil is classified on the basis of the proportion of particles of various sizes. Soil is classified as sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Children, soil has been classified on the basis of their particles size. Now we will study about the sandy soil first. It contains greater number of big sand particles. It means the size particle is little big. These particles are large and cannot fit together closely. Thus there are large spaces between them filled with air. Hence, sandy soil is said to be well aerated. Well aerated means it is full of air. Water can drain off quickly through the spaces of particles. Sandy soil is light, well aerated and dry. It is not suitable for vegetation. Now we will study about the second type of soil, that is your clayey soil. And the clayey soil is rich in clay particles. Clay particles are very small, therefore they pack tightly together, leaving little space for air. Water can be held in the tiny gaps between these clay particles, so they have little air. This type of soil is heavier than the sandy soil because it can hold maximum water. It is used to make pots and lamps as it is sticky and turns hard on digging. Now the third type of the soil, that is your loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of clay, sand and silt. Silt occurs as deposit in the riverbed. The size of the loamy soil is in between the size of clay and the sand particles. Loamy soil is rich in humus. It is porous and can hold the right amount of water. Hence, loamy soil is considered as the best type of soil for growing plants.